Good morning. Happy Saturday. Saturday is a time to focus on stretching, massage rolling, my vibration plate. I talk to my clients about it. I remind them to make some time in the morning for themselves. You know, it just takes 10 minutes. 10 minutes starting somewhere. Stretching, 10-minute workout, 10 minutes writing in your journal, 10-minute meditation. It's little new healthy habits that you put together that compound and make great change. And so for me, stretching, using a roller, and here's a different one, and using a vibration plate that I'll show you a little bit on, made a huge difference with pain. Down to, I do have it, my brace. Years ago, I was in a car accident. I had 3 herniated discs from this car accident. I was about, 18, 19, 20 years old. And from that point on, I was always aggravated with my back, 2 kids. I was at the chiropractor belly down trying to figure out how to get out of pain with my lower back. It was a constant, I'm sitting here and I still feel it, right? Once you injure it, it doesn't go away. You just have to maintain and work with it. And so when I discovered stretching, rolling, giving myself 10 minutes in the morning to actually do these things, it made a difference. So I started telling my clients. So I wanted to show you first the vibration plate. Other reason too is what's pretty cool is this coming week I'm going to be adding massage rolling classes to my calendar, to my Zoom classes, and vibration plate, because I actually have clients who are asking to teach them how to do it across the country. So by putting a Zoom class together and saying, hey, we're going to just focus on stretching and rolling, or stretching and vibration plate, you can work out with these things too, which is pretty awesome. So first I'm going to get them stretching, and then I'll get them working out. All right. So this is my vibration plate. It's made by LifePro. I do have a link for it. Oh, I don't have my glasses on. Hello. And some of my clients start with it on 40, some crank it all the way up. I have been the type to crank it all the way up and see how it goes. And at 100 or 100 plus, sometimes it works for me. But everybody has their own. And so I find myself just putting on playlists that I really enjoy in the morning, and just start stretching, right? Moving my arms. I got shoulder and neck issues now, along with my back problems. So, coming down. Usually I'm dancing on here a little bit more too. I feel a little subconscious. All right, I sit on it. Just like I would do with the roller. And I come down and hold. If I can stretch my neck out when I'm doing something else, I'm surely going to do it. With neck and shoulder issues, I'm often on here just going up and down because it feels good. It feels like it's stretching my issues. And leaning into it. All right. If you can, let's sit on here, just roll my neck. You can also keep your legs down. some other things I do is I lean on it, either in like a modified push-up position and stretch from the side. Woo. And you can do all sorts of exercise on here with resistant bands. So I want to show you a little bit with the rollers. I feel that they do two different things. The vibration plate is great for your overall body. There's so many benefits. If you choose to try it for 30 days, I feel like you feel the results. Everybody that I work with keeps it consistent and they feel results. So it's about consistency, of course, right? If you do something once, it doesn't mean that you're going to feel anything from it. But if you do it 30 times, 60 times, it becomes routine. Your body responds differently to it. So, with the large one, this is my newest one. I love it. I don't know if I love it. Well, I do. I love it just as much or a little bit more because it is that big and I can kind of wrap my arms around it. What I didn't show you is when I first started this on my roller, I used a hoodie. I would put my hoodie on. I would put my hair, make sure my hair was tucked under it, and make sure it was long enough so it wasn't getting stuck, because it does that. So, but to show you what to do, and truthfully, like for the amount of months, years that I've used this, I need no cushion. So what I do is I start with where my pain is. You can put your head on here. If you're in a space where you can kind of like lean and grab something, I love doing that. I have two pieces of furniture in the other room where I do this. And then sitting on it. Lower back again, coming down. One leg up. It's a different stretch than being on the ground, for sure. And again, lower back issue, shoulder issue. This one works for me. I get to stretch everything. Leaning into it. And it's about, people say, well, I need a exercise regimen. No, because your pain is different than mine, and you can look up to see, look, there's YouTube videos everywhere. There's things people doing everywhere. So you can figure out what's better for you in your injury, but I don't say everybody has one way of doing it, because just like eating, it's all different. So you gotta find what works for you, the music that works for you, the time that you make for yourself, and do it. The other one. This is called a peanut, but the idea behind it is like having two balls like tennis balls in a sock. I believe it works. I haven't tried it. I'd like to try it. But I find this one is amazing for people with spine issues, because you can get it to the place where you're running it up and down your spine. And it's amazing because when you put your head on here, you're really getting a different kind of stretch from your neck, which again is one of my other issues more recently than not. So I just wanted to show you a little bit, and I do have links to some of this in this post, and I will be on tomorrow. I've been consistent with myself this week, doing a video either on my personal or real food. So it was something, a goal that I was working on, and as of tomorrow, I believe I will be consistent. So have a great day, and I will chat with you tomorrow. Bye.